Guys, what's going on? It's Chris down here at the States from Mellow Vapes, coming to you with another product video. Today's video is going to be on the new Vaporesso Gen kit. Now this is something I'm very excited about because I picked one up myself. Absolutely amazing box mod, probably one of the best out there right now. They have a couple new things that you might not see on other box mods, really unique features. But yeah, you get with the kit, you get the Vaporesso Gen box mod, as well as the Skur S tank. Uses either the Baby V style cools or the QF cools from Vaporesso. Both really good flavor cools. You can get the mesh in there, really nice. It comes with two of the QF cools, both mesh. One's 0.15, the other is a 0.2. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and go over it. So of course you got your box right there. Then you have the mod. Now it'll come with the tank off of it. It'll be sitting right above it in the box. But let's go ahead and go over the mod. Now first thing about this mod, it's super lightweight. Not the most compact, but it is very thin, as you can see. Then over here you got your screen, your three buttons. The two on either side of the middle one are going to be your up and down. The top one's going to be the up, the bottom one's going to be down. Then in the middle you're going to have your menu button. Now this is what you're going to use to access all the different modes on this chip, and there is a lot of them. Now whenever you first turn it on, it's going to be in its pulse mode, which acts like a PWM if any of you builders are out there. Basically it pulses the battery so you get that constant 100 watts or so, whatever your watt is setting at. This makes it real consistent, hit really hard. And then of course you have all your different variable wattage modes. You have your normal, hard, and soft, which are going to determine how quickly it fires and how hard it fires. You also have your variable voltage, your temperature control, and all that. Takes two 18650s. Door just pops off right there. Get your little battery bay. This is using their new Axon chip. Very powerful little chip. You got yourself a little ribbon to help you get the batteries out once they're in there. Always a nice little touch, especially because it's kind of hard sometimes to get your fingers down in there, pull them out. Yeah, tons of little options on here. You got your little micro USB to charge it. It does support fast charging, 2.5 amp fast charging. Really nice. On the tank, you have 8 mils of capacity with the bubble glass and 6 with the straight glass. So this tank is going to last you all day long. You're able to fill it up and not have to worry about anything. You got your little bottom airflow, tri-airflow, so it breaks up the airflow, makes it a lot more smoother. You have your adjustment to it. You can turn left or right to close it off all the way if you don't want to have to worry about leaking or anything. Throw it in your pocket. Of course you can open it all the way up, get a nice good airflow. Then to fill it, you're going to take the top cap off, just unscrews. Then you got your little fill port right there. Now remember to put it in the smiley face, not the Cyclops eye. Then this just screws right back on top. And then the drip tip is an 810 with the O-rings on there, so if you got a favorite drip tip with O-rings on there, they'll fit right in. And then of course, you got your whole kit. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, wanting to pick up a new mod, this is definitely the one to go with. If you guys are interested, come on down, check it out. See you guys around.